Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm back from LS Fest. Got back the other day. I was kind of taking yesterday, kind of relaxing. Plus, I actually had to work. So back from that, and I'm currently going through all that video footage right now. So expect those videos to be coming. I have quite a bit more content that I've actually filmed. I just need to put together to get it out there, but since Woodward was here and then LS Fest, I want to get those videos out first. So, I enjoyed LS Fest a lot, and I will say I've made a goal for myself for next year, and for next year, that means getting the Colorado LS Swap done and taking that to LS Fest. So that is my goal. I know there will be some people questioning that, because since I've had the motor for this thing for quite a while now, but my goal, and I've talked with some buddies that are willing to help me out, is to have this ready to go for LS Fest next year, which shouldn't be really that hard. I mean, there's guys who've done LS swaps in these things in a month. I have most of everything I need for it. I just have to get it done. So there's going to be a bunch of content coming for the Colorado for that. It's going to be some other things on it are going to change as well. So I won't get too much into it, so that way it'll save some for you guys. So with that said, as I said, I do have other content coming. I'm probably going to have, I think, just 2 videos from LS Fest. So hope you guys enjoy that footage when it comes out. That will probably come out within the next few days after this video. But with this video, we are going to be doing the 2,500 subscriber giveaway. So let's go check and see who the winner's going to be. All right, everyone. All right. So sorry for the glare there. All right. Copy the link from subscriber giveaway. Post it in here. And set to filter duplicate users. Now, commenters, 17 people. Okay. So, random comment picker. So, hit start. It's going through. Rod Struck. So, I will be contacting you. Look for a message in your YouTube mailbox. If you don't hear from me, shoot me a message through my Instagram. So, all right, let me backtrack just a little bit, Rod. So apparently YouTube actually did do away with all of the messaging that they had. So just shoot me a direct message through my Instagram. I'll leave a link below, but Geets Garage on Instagram. Just shoot me a DM through there, and then we'll get you squared away on getting you these pieces. All right, thank you. Congratulations, Rod Struck, on winning the GoPro handle and the GoPro head strap. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you questions, comments, leave them below. And if it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.